Good day everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we shall be constructing a simple burglar alarm security system using PLC programming in Zen Support Software. Let's go! Okay, so for this problem, we are to consider the design of a burglar alarm for a house. This alarm will be activated if an unauthorized person is detected by a window sensor or a motion detector. We are to implement this alarm system in PLC using ladder diagram programming language. Basically, based on our problem, we shall be using two sensors, namely motion detector and the window sensor. Window sensor is nothing but a loop of wire that is piece of thin metal foil which encircles the window. The motion detector is designed such that when a person is detected, the output of sensor goes through. An important thing to note here is that in window sensor, current is always passing until there is a breakage in glass of a window. Hence, output is always true. When alarm system is activated and someone tries to break the window, current does not flow through the metal foil, causing the output to go false. Corner mapping can be used here to solve the equation and then to implement its logic in ladder diagram. Also, a thing to note is that this security system is normally not implemented using PLC since the hardware cost of the entire system will be effectively high. The purpose of using this problem is for us to learn how to implement such logics in PLC. We are now ready to construct the circuit in Zen Support Software. So for this problem, here is our goal. A circuit that when simulated will allow our system or the alarm system to be activated. So just click on the play button and let's try to activate our system. Upon activating or pressing I0, as you can see, Q0 to 2 is activated as well and can only be stopped when I1 is pressed and I4 is also pressed. So let's start by launching a new project. Okay, let's just launch a new project and name it as Burglar Alarm Security System. And then let's proceed in adding our components. So let's add I0, I input, and relay number 0, name it as activate or the main switch. And beside to that is the deactivate button, which is a normally closed switch. Okay, and then let's add our first output under relay number 0 and label it as our master code. Please take note that the deactivate button should be normally closed, and we are to link our output Q to our input. Okay, so this circuit is also based on our corner mapping or the equation that we have derived based on our key mapping. And then let's just link our Q0, which is our master coil, and normally open one, and our second input or our third input, which is our motion detector. And then below to that is our next input, which is a normally closed window sensor. Okay, and then our next output, which is Q1, labeled as the alarm coil. Let's just link them. And then for our last set of circuit, let's just add our Q1, which is the output Q under Q1, the alarm coil. And below to that is, or beside to that is we will be adding another input, for stopping our system or stopping our alarm, which is stop alarm, I number 4. And for our last output, which is Q2, let's label it as alarm. And let's just link that Q2 as one of our inputs. Okay, so just rechecking, let's make sure that I4, I3, and I1 are all on normally closed state. So there you have it, a system that could alarm or when simulated and activated pressing I0. As you can see, all our outputs will be turned on and can only be deactivated or stopped when I1 and I4 is pressed. Okay, as you can see, our circuit or our simulation shows that there is a latching of a coil Q0 to activate the entire security system. When activate button I0 is pressed, okay, when I0 is pressed, as you can see, it activates the entire security system. If the system is not activated, alarm does not indicate anything since sensors will have no effects on the alarm Q1 or the alarm coil Q1. When system is active and motion detector detects the person, the alarm coil will momentarily go high, activating alarm Q2, which stays on until our I4 is pressed or turning off our alarm 2. So with that, we can also see that there is a contact used for window sensor, which is input I3, because it is normally in true state when not activated. So when the breakage of a window is detected, it goes false from its true condition, allowing alarm coil Q1 to go high for a moment, which in turn activates Q2. So latching is to be provided in order to keep the alarm ringing even if the detection by the sensors are momentary or to be accurate pulsating. So there you have it, a burglar or a simple burglar alarm security system. Thank you for watching.